Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about on the field service Odoo module and how we can actually use it. So in the moment when you are going to be in Odoo and in field service, what you're going to find here, for example, let's remove everything. You're going to have the my tasks here and tasks and map, and also like the all tasks like to schedule, to invoice. Also we are planning by user, by project, by worksheet template or location, and then you're gonna also like reporting here and configuration for all these things. So pretty simple and pretty easily. When you're gonna have tasks here, you're gonna create new here, and you can have the task title. So we're gonna have, let's say I want to have visit a customer, and then you're gonna have a field service here as a project, a worksheet template. You can create templates for each type of intervention you have and customize their content with your own custom field, where you have also option to add a customer. You can like add tags here and the planned date. So let's say it's going to be like here to here. And this is, for example, the date that we have, and allocate time, let's say 9 hours that we got, right? And then you can have like the kind of like the details that needs to be done, and also the timesheets for, let's say, employees, and how much time spent there. And also you can add like a subtasks. So, and then also you just like have a subtasks for the specific task in the field service. You can also set up the activity. So you have the subtasks, but what you can do, you can create also activity as a to-do, email, call, meeting, document, certification, signature, and you can schedule the activity. Then the activity is going to be down here. Now that's for the my field service, and here we have the task. So as you can see, we have it right here, and we can have it like changed to planned, or we can have it like in progress or done or canceled. So this is what you can actually do. And now I can have it like this, right? The time spent, we have the progress, so I can have it here. And right now we are in a progress, and I can change the priority. Then also tags, stage, in progress, and you have like multiple kind of like the columns that you can have for your Odoo for the tasks. Then tonight my tasks, you're gonna find also all tasks. So to schedule, to invoice. So let's say I can click here all tasks, or those who are like to the schedule that you would see right here, and also to invoice that I can click new here, and that's something you can do. So the kind of like the task for to invoice. So when I'm going to go back to tasks and I can click here, I can see also the products here. So let's say I would add like flour. Go back. We have the one product right here, okay? And then you see like the worksheet, like the sales order for the flour, right? So that's something that you can do, and it's all connected. So you're gonna have the tasks, that is going to be the product, and you can have like worksheet here, and then you can have the sales order for the product that you have for the task, if it makes sense. And it's something that you can do too. And then also you're gonna have the planning here by user, by project, by worksheet template, by location. And you're gonna have also like reporting here as a task analysis, customer ratings, and the configuration. So hope this video provided a little bit of value on how the field service work and what you can actually like do with that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much, and have a great day, and goodbye.